Halitosis is the medical term for chronic bad breath. And no, we're not just talking about morning breath. If your breath smells bad even after brushing, it means something deeper is going on. Bad breath can affect your confidence, social interactions, and even signal underlying health issues. Common causes include food and drinks. Garlic, onions, coffee, and alcohol can leave a lasting smell. Poor oral hygiene. Not brushing and flossing allows bacteria to thrive in your mouth. Coated tongue. Your tongue can trap bacteria, creating a foul smell. Gum disease and cavities. Infections in your mouth can produce a strong odor. Sinus infections. Postnasal drip from sinus issues can cause bad breath. Fasting and keto diets. Lack of food or low-carb diets can trigger keto breath. Serious conditions. Diabetes, liver disease, and kidney problems can also cause bad breath. How do you know if you have bad breath? Try the wrist test. Lick the inside of your wrist, wait a few seconds, and sniff. Use a floss test. Smell the floss after using it between your teeth. Ask a trusted friend. If they hesitate, you have your answer. How can you prevent and treat bad breath? Brush and floss twice a day. Remove food particles and bacteria buildup. Scrape your tongue. Use a tongue scraper to eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Stay hydrated. Dry mouth equals bad breath. Drink water throughout the day. Eat breath-friendly foods. Apples, carrots, and celery naturally clean your mouth. Visit your dentist regularly. Get professional cleanings and checkups. Limit sugary and acidic foods. They feed bacteria and worsen bad breath. If your bad breath doesn't improve even with good hygiene, it might be linked to gut health, diabetes, or other medical conditions. In that case, a dentist or doctor can help you find the root cause. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. See you in the next video.